bucket lift. Drag the part to the right place. Move the part to the right place. Drag the part to its place. Move the part to its place. Keep it up. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. That's all. Let's wash. Bucket lift. Run the brush over the machine to remove dirt. Run the washer over the machine and clean up the rest of the foam. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Move the vehicle onto its place. Done!